Just bought one of these new Ryobi generators from Home Depot. I had trouble getting it started, but it was an easy fix. Hopefully this helps someone out. So you already have to have the oil installed and the gasoline installed. But one little trick I did was I flipped it to choke and pulled it, and it never started. I must have pulled it like 18 to 20 times. I tried to then start it on run. It didn't work. Nothing really worked. I came over and hit this button, this little auto idle button. And then I made sure it was back onto cold start choke, and it started right up like a champ. So hopefully this helps someone.